how to join random people in Roblox. So in order to do that, you want to go into a Roblox game. You can choose any game that you want to choose. It could be Grow a Garden or whatever game that is that you want to play. Now, in order to join random people, you want to go into this button right here, which is the servers. So go to the servers, and then what you need to do is scroll down. Now from here, in the bottom, you will see a list of servers, which is called the other servers, and you will see the number of players and exclude full servers. So what you need to do is click exclude full servers. So make sure it is checked so you can join the server that are not full. Then you want to choose the order in ascending. So if you want to join guaranteed and not wait for it to load, you can just set it to ascending and you'll be able to see all the servers here that have the less and the most less people in the server. So just simply just click the join button. And if you click the join button, it will now load for you to join that person. And that's how you can basically join random people on Roblox.